In this day and age, these large businesses very arrogantly, irrespective of contract, terminate their relationships with their employees. In my case, the company very arrogantly chose to terminate it at all costs. In fact, they made the statement to a number of producers, including myself, that they didn't really care if they were breaching the contract. They had a lot of attorneys. That's about as arrogant as you can get. When I first started shopping for an attorney, I found that maybe they were right, because nobody really wanted to take them on because of their size. Richard Alexander was different. He wanted to take them on. He wanted the opportunity to show them they couldn't get by with that. And once he understood my case, that was where he went. And I think that if you had the opportunity to interview some of those people, you'd find that they would never like to go against Richard Alexander again. Working with Richard is sometimes like working with a whirlwind, because mentally he has ability to be way ahead. I guess you could liken him to a chess player. He's about 5 moves ahead. The one thing Richard has that I didn't find in a lot of lawyers and haven't found is empathy. They understand, they get involved, and they care about the people they represent. That's a very unique trait that you normally don't find in all attorneys. Richard has that. He takes your case, you'll find that he's part of your family. He's like the Knight of the Round Table, rides in on his horse and really gives it to him. He is the best. I've seen enough attorneys make that statement. Why wouldn't you want the best?